What happened?
I sat down to take a picture and I got up and my ass was wet. Good morning guys, we're up early today. We are off to go and do a free walking tour of Danang, get to know the city a bit better. What's awesome about this tour is that it's run by university students who are passionate about their city, and it's also an opportunity for them to learn English.
And we're meant to be meeting at the Danang Visitor Centre in 5 minutes, which we're hoping is just around the corner, but we're not 100% sure. So let's scram.
So behind me is the Danang Cathedral. It's also known as the Chicken Church because right at the top is a wind direction lane, I guess you could call it. And the Vietnamese have just dubbed it the Chicken Church. It was started in 1923 and finished in 1924, and it's also the biggest religious site in Danang.
Alright, so we've just finished up the Danang free walking tour. I've got to say, awesome time, a lot of fun with the guides. What did you think?
Absolutely. Had a blast with the girls. The hour and a half just didn't seem like it was enough. Would highly recommend this if you're coming to Danang for the first time or if you just want a quick overview of the city.
The one piece of advice I'd give is interact with the girls. I think you'll get a lot more from the experience if you talk to them, ask them questions. They're dead keen to share the information that they have, and I think you'll get a lot more from it if you do that. What rating would you give it?
Oh, solid 4 buzzy bees.
4 buzzy bees, all right, there you have it. Well, we'll put a link in the description for anyone that might be coming to Danang or anyone that's interested in looking it up. And other than that, we'll wrap it up here and we'll catch you in the next one. Sweet!